Every year, thousands of young people fall victim to social vices like cultism, drug abuse or addiction, and so many other negative behaviors. But what can parents do to help their children get out of this, especially those whose children or young ones have fallen victims of all this? Hello, my name is Excellence Madoka. I am a life coach for Parents and Teens Academy. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can help your child that have already fallen victim of these social vices, especially cultism. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Join other parents and teenagers in our community that are being part of this, so that we can also help to empower the next generation, to help them make reliable and good decisions. So please subscribe to this channel and also like the notification button. Your comment is very important. Let's hear from you. Together we can build this together. And also, if you have not done this, hit the notification button so that it will allow to. We're going to be coming to you with great tips that will help you help your children live a purposeful life. So we're going to go straight to today's topic. We are going to be looking at tips to help the parents whose children already have fallen victim of these social vices. Number one, in my last video, I talked about your investment. Your child is your investment. No matter how much you have spent, no matter the kind of school, how expensive the school that you have sent your child to, no matter the expensive gadgets that you have bought for them to help them, you understand, become, how will I put it now, help them, come into society or help them belong. No matter how much you have done that, if you don't watch over your children, if you don't monitor your investment will go down the drain. But if your child already have fallen victim, there is no need for you to kill yourself. There is no need for you to solve. I have solution. Your child can get out of this by your help. You can help your child get out of this and stay strong. So number one, for you to help in case your child has fallen victim, especially you got that notification or you got that call that your child is have been arrested or is involved in cult activities or drug addiction. Number one, the first thing you should do, don't condemn that child. Don't condemn that child. Help him or her walk through the process. As long as he's ready, he has made that mistake already. He has fallen victim. Remember, if you took the necessary step that you were supposed to take, watch my last video, you understand what I'm talking about. If you had, given your child an open communication, you have allowed your child to talk to you freely, it wouldn't have gone this far. But nevertheless, having gotten to this thing, you can help your child. So help him. Don't condemn him. Don't condemn him. Don't disown him or her. Bring him closer to you. Help him go through the process. Help him go through this process of recovery. Don't remind him or her. Anytime he does, you're not trying to remind him of what he has done. You will lose that child forever. I'm telling you the truth. You will lose that child. Number two, show that child the kind of love that you have never shown him before. When I talk about love, not buying all those things, show them real love. This is the time, despite their mess, despite their mistakes, despite what they have gone through, despite the mud that they have rubbed themselves, show them love. Show them love by standing by them. Show them love by helping them go through this. Show them love by, always being there for them. Don't you ever show them one day, because already they are already, they are already feeling condemned already. So don't help them further. Don't help them feel condemned already. Show them that love that Jesus Christ showed to us. Even while we're yet sinner, Jesus died for us. So even while your child has fallen victim, you still show him love, unconditional love. Number 3, seek professional counsel. Some time ago, a parent called me, and when he discovered that his child has fallen victim of cultism, he went through my video. By the way, if you are just new to this channel, just go through my videos. You hear me talk about how I joined cult and how I came back. So this parent watched my video, and from the tips that he got on how to identify a cultist, he began to see those things manifest in the life of his son. He called the son and told him that, "Are you in cult?" And the boy tried to deny. So he kept calling him. So the man called me and told me, "This is what he's seeing. This is what he's suspecting. Please, how can I help him?" So I told him what to do. So when he did that, the son just opened up to him, and he cried that he has been involved in cultism, and we began to help him. So seek counsel, seek professional. If you want to contact me, my WhatsApp number is on the description box. You can contact me and we can talk. And also, if you are liking this video so far, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are just coming to this channel. Help us so that this video will go viral, so that more parents will hear this, more parents will help their children. So place a comment in case your child has fallen victim, or you know somebody that has fallen victim. So go to the comment section and make a comment there and say, "How can I help? How can you help me, sir?" Or, "My child is a victim." Just only that. Just go to the comment and say, "My child is a victim of so thing." I will contact you. I will send you my direct contact address and we'll talk. So always seek for professional counsel. It will help you. And number 4, if there is need, in case your child has fallen victim, he is involved in any cult activity, he has been initiated into any cult, and he has come to you, he has opened up to you, and he has confessed to you, let him go through the renunciation process. That is where a counselor, this is what I do. I help them break those oaths. If you go also to my videos, which I'm going to also place here, you'll see how you can break those oaths. Then when you have done that, if it is possible, the sacrifice that this child will pay. I told that parent, I said, "See, the best thing you can do for this child, because he's willing to stay free, change his school, change his environment. Ensure that you change his environment, because the more he continues to stay with those people, the more he will be attracted to it. So ensure that you change the environment. If the child has not gone too deep, he has not gone too far, if possible, change his school. Let him start all over again. That is the natural consequence that he has to pay for it. But at the end of the day, you will not regret it. He will not regret it. So please follow these tips. Ensure that you follow these tips thoroughly. If you need any of my advice, go to the comment section and say, "I need to hear from you." Go to the comment section, ask any question, and we are ready to answer you. Also, I have a book, Stand Out, Don't Blend, which I wrote, that will also help you know more in this thing. Go to the comment, go to the description box, and you'll be able to know how to get it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and follow us. Make sure that you like this button. Make sure that you join the community of parents and teenagers, so that we can empower the next generation, so that they can be able to make the right decision. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, stand out, don't